Hey there, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to Healthy Friends channel. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by conflicting information about diets and weight loss, you're not alone. In today's video, we're going to bust some common diet myths and get to the truth of what you really need to know for effective weight loss. But before we dive in, if you enjoy content like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our valuable insights. Let's get started. Number 1. No carbs means no weight loss. First up, let's tackle the myth that cutting carbs entirely is the only way to shed those pounds. While reducing refined carbs can be beneficial, not all carbs are created equal. The key is choosing complex carbs like whole grains and vegetables, which provide essential nutrients and sustained energy. Let's say goodbye to the no carbs myth and embrace the right kind of carbohydrates for a balanced diet. Number 2. All calories are equal. Next on our list is the misconception that all calories are the same. It's time to debunk this myth. The quality of the calories you consume matters. Nutrient-dense foods not only fuel your body but also support overall health. Instead of focusing solely on the quantity of calories, pay attention to the nutritional value of the foods you eat for a more effective weight loss strategy. Number 3. Skip meals to lose weight faster. Now let's address the myth that skipping meals will speed up your weight loss journey. In reality, skipping meals can slow down your metabolism and lead to overeating later in the day. The key is to focus on balanced, portion-controlled meals throughout the day, keeping your metabolism revved up and cravings at bay. Number 4. Fat-free is always healthy. Time to debunk the myth that fat-free equals healthy. Not all fats are the enemy. Healthy fats, like those found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil, are essential for various bodily functions, including nutrient absorption and brain health. Instead of going completely fat-free, aim for a well-rounded diet that includes the right kinds of fats in moderation. Number 5. Extreme detox diets for rapid results. Last but not least, let's bust the myth that extreme detox diets are the shortcut to rapid weight loss. Your body has a built-in detox system, primarily through the liver and kidneys. Instead of extreme measures, focus on a diet rich in antioxidants and hydration to naturally support your body's detoxification processes. So there you have it, folks. Diet myths officially busted. Remember, sustainable and effective weight loss is about making informed, balanced choices that work for your body. If you found this information helpful, give us a thumbs up. Share with your friends, and comment below with any myths you'd like us to explore in future videos. Subscribe for more myth-busting content and helpful tips on your health journey. Until next time, stay well and stay informed here at Healthy Friends channel.